Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. The industrial action taken by air traffic controllers has impacted at least one sports team. This as Jamaica's table tennis team has been forced to remain in the Dominican Republic for another night after players and staff were left stranded at the airport after several flights were cancelled. The team to the Caribbean Table Tennis Youth Championships was due to arrive on Thursday afternoon, but JTTA President Andrew Liu says the team will have to remain in the Dominican Republic until at least Friday as they seek help to return home.
To get through to the head of the mission here in Santo Domingo, but I don't know if they have had much success in doing that. I'm waiting to hear what the response will be when they actually do get in touch with the High Commissioner here, or the Honorary Consul here in Santo Domingo.
The 20-member contingent, however, has received some help from organizers in Dom Rep.
ITTF America's president, Mr. Juan Villa, is actually the person who helped us to get accommodations for tonight. And also, he sent a bus for us through the Olympic Association here to take us to the Olympic Village where we'll be staying tonight.
Liu also noted that Jamaica's Ministry of Sport has also stepped in.